everybody. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so before you hit the snooze button today on this topic, I am so excited to go into detail with you on kind of pulling the, full circle, putting all of the pieces together, the puzzle pieces around this whole concept of assembling a dream team. And so the last couple of weeks, if you've been following along, we've been talking a little bit about what it takes to find the right person for your business. And I keep talking about steering away from the tactical hiring and really hiring entrepreneurs for your business who are all in on your vision. And I use this word vision so much. And so I thought it would be appropriate today to talk about vision. And I had a timely conversation with one of our clients this week who said to me, Kaeli, I just don't want to have to make all of the decisions in my business. I'm exhausted by having to micromanage and oversee every single decision that's made. And he asked me, how do I just get my team to read my mind and know what I want? And the answer, ding, 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 is all about having a vision for your business, right? The vision is really the rudder of your business. It is what's going to propel the decisions that you make, take you in the direction that you want to go, and really be the focus of the company. So vision is really just a big goal for your business. Where is your business going? It's the thing that's going to point your business in the right direction. And so it answers things this vision statement that we make answers questions like, why the heck are we even in business? What is the point, right? What is the point of having a business? And it sounds like a super basic and almost kind of, amateur question to ask, but it's a question that not a lot of businesses ask themselves, particularly until it's too late, right? We're not sure where we're going, or I just know I want to be a really great provider, or I have this specialty, and I'm going to open this business just so I can do my craft, right? And all of a sudden we're hiring people and building our team, and we're like, where is this business going? And we made X amount last year, so hopefully we make that again this year. No, the vision is really setting a stage for where you are taking that business. Where is it going? And so when I sit down with you, when we talk about your vision, we're gonna talk about really the 10-year plan, right? Or more. Where eventually is do you see your business going? And this is gonna have a lot to do with you as, a personal brand. If you're somebody who's building this business that, as a reflection of yourself, first you have to really know what you want. What do you want out of the business, right? So let's talk about really the big goal of the business. So I'm going to tell you what my company, what KLC's vision is, so you can kind of get an idea in this one sentence, how my team can look at this vision and make decisions in their day-to-day activities based on the aptitude for getting us to this goal, okay? So our vision is to create a movement of transformation that fosters growth and development for leaders by making 10 million in 1 year. Now, this is our big vision. We're not there yet, but over time, 10 plus years down the road, that is our goal. And so what I want you to do when you create your vision is really to attach it to a 10-year plan. And I'll give you an example of a basic company and a basic vision that isn't super altruistic. It is just something that is, look, we just want to make the sweetest butter on the market. So this is Butter Company is simply saying, we want to make the sweetest butter and we want to achieve $100 million. Okay. And that's the vision of the company. So you can understand that really, one, this separates the company of the vision of the Butter Company from, do we want the cheapest butter? Do we want the sweetest butter? Do we want the creamiest butter? Right? So when they know what they're out to achieve, then their people can make decisions on a daily basis to make sure that they are in alignment with that longer term vision. So for example, if they have a task that requires them to purchase salt and they're doing an analysis of companies that make salt, perhaps if they want to make the sweetest butter, then they are going to need Himalayan salt. So This might sound very basic for you, but I do this on a regular basis with practices who've been in business for a long time, and their people don't really understand what it means to have a vision, and they don't understand how the things that they're doing in the business every day really correlate to that big vision, that big long picture. All right. And so when you're thinking about a vision, this really shouldn't be about your customers, right? That's more of your mission statement. What are you looking to accomplish for your customer, right? But your vision is simply the goal of the business. And this vision will guide the decisions your employees make every day, even when you're not there to tell them what to do. And if you do a good job of reinforcing this vision with them on a daily basis, then it becomes clear to them that the simple activities that they're doing in their day-to-day job are contributing to a certain element of achievement of that big goal, okay? So I can't emphasize enough that having a vision is truly a vital step in successfully growing and leading a team. And what I put together for you are 5 questions that you can ask yourself to help guide you in creating the vision for your company, okay? So question number 1, and I want you to get your pen and paper out and write these down. What is the purpose of your business? Number 2, why are you in business? Now, remember, there's no right or wrong answer. So if you started your business to make money, that's fine. Why did you start your business? You may have started it for wanting autonomy or authority or independence. You may have started it just because you are mission driven and you want to go accomplish something for somebody in the world, right? And what is the contribution that you want your business to make in the world? That's question number 3. Number 4, what aspiration do you have for your business? So you heard we attached a revenue goal, a long-term revenue goal for ours. And I do recommend attaching a number to your business, because ultimately, in order to stay in business, to do what you want to do, your business has to make money. And then finally, after spending some time reflecting on your why, the purpose of, and really the contribution of your business, then I want you to kind of journal. Like, I would recommend getting a piece of paper and simply writing all of this down, all these answers down, and then re-looking at it, rereading it out loud, and then kind of condensing it down into the really key points. And that would create a vision statement for you. And that should be 1 sentence. Some people try to make, 17 sentences long. 1 sentence, right, in your vision. The purpose of your business. Why are you in business? What is the contribution you want your business to make to the world? What aspiration do you have for your business? And then finally attaching that to your visionary financial revenue goal. 1 sentence. And then go meet with your team and tell them your vision. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.